I hope it's the beginning of the end. For the sake of
I do too.
everyone who is in the workforce or trying to get in the workforce or actually wants to do something they enjoy with their life, I hope this is the beginning of a great reset.
It is crazy.
I hope it all just comes crashing down. But like I keep going back to the dot-com bubble because I've seen comparisons to that. Obviously, I wasn't there. I know some of you might think that I was there. People tell me I look old. Uh, thank you. Question mark. But yeah, no, dot-com bubble. Basically, that's what companies were doing. They would slap .com to their business name or say, "Oh, we have a website. We're .com." Blah blah blah. Stock would shoot up. Now we're seeing that with AI. And like Malcolm said, this is a completely competitive space. Very competitive. It's constantly changing. Like you could talk a little bit more about the Claude models and things, but it's like right now, getting into that as a you're trying to build. I hope they're really trying to figure out a way to support or do kind of
Hmm.
like what companies like Microsoft does, where you try to work with these AI companies to create offerings running on their models. Because if you're trying to create a model, you're
39 million ain't gonna cut it, brother.
yeah, it's over with. I mean, we saw what was the thing? Not lobster. What was the thing
Open,
that
you talking about open claw?
open claw? Yeah,
Yeah.
stuff
Oh
gets
yeah,
pot and
yeah.
popping for a week or two max, and then somebody come out with something better.
Yeah, I don't think people realize, brother, like it's like training LLMs, like frontier LLM models, bro. These can range from 60 to 100 million dollars, bro. Like GPT-4 is like in that range, but like it's a massive power, and it's a lot, like across, like for training costs, like so you have your compute infrastructure. The GPUs themselves cost something crazy. The large expense with like rental rates, they can charge anything on an hourly basis. You have your model size and data, more parameters, and larger models with more parameters and larger data sets require more training time and higher cost. If your energy consumption, which everyone knows about, the 4, 5, 6, 7 gigawatts of power that are needed, data creation, like all this stuff, bro, kind of goes into these high training costs. I would, like I said, I would be curious to see how well positioned this company is to deal with this crazy pivot, how they will rebrand themselves, how they will change, like, adjust the hiring of their current kind of like talent. I'm like, bro, I just don't understand like, what do you tell the guys that are in there making the shoes now? Like if I'm a guy that designs our next shoes, and you telling me, oh yeah, we doing all GPU stuff now, brother. You can go ahead, pack your stuff up, bro. All of that. I don't know, man.
Shoe designers in 2026, it's not looking good. Not looking good.
Yeah, man. But yeah, it's crazy times we living in, bro. S&P on a run, all time high. Shoe companies trying to make LLMs, bro. It's cooked.